What? Let us have a look at the granularity part. Granularity. All right. Oh, this is what it is. Granularity is what? Granularity is very simple concept, simpler than grouping, hierarchy, sets. All right, or data type, a plotting of a bar plot and all. All right, so this is what it is. It is pretty simple. So what is granularity? Let us have a look at it. So granularity is what? The granularity is about the marks. All right, not this marks, but the marks that are shown over here. So let us do what? Let us take sales and drop it into column. Right, it is showing you what in over here in the bottom left corner, 1 mark. It is showing what in the bottom left corner as 1 mark. All right. Similarly, we have what we have. Let's say profit. Drop it into this. So it is showing what it is showing one. It is showing what 1 mark. Why it is showing 1 mark? Because the measure values are what in the columns. The measure values are in the columns. All right. So in the columns and both the columns and the rows. All right. Now let me do what? Let me take category and drop it into rows. So we have what? We have three different marks. So you can see three different marks. है ना? Three different marks. Now basically they are what? They are labels. Let us take subcategory and drop subcategory over here. We have how many marks? We have 17 marks. Similarly, let us remove subcategory. Let us remove category. Let us take customer names. In rows, just a second, let me add sales in label and customer name in rows. Add all members. All right, let us sort it. Which customer bought the most? Sean Miller bought the most. All right. So how many marks are created? 793 marks are created. That means we have 793 different customers that bought something with us. So this is what marks are all about. All right. Total sum of sales were 2297201. All right. So which is correct if we remove customer name. So it is showing what it's showing the total sales as 2297201. All right. All right. Cool. So this is what it is. Now let us check for granularity, that is breaking into parts. All right. So sum of sales. All right. Sum of profit. So it is showing what? It is showing me a bubble of what? Bubble of profit. That profit is 286. That is in your what? In your x-axis. Sorry, in your y-axis. All right. And sales is where? Sales is in your x-axis. It is what? It is showing you a coordinate of profit. And if you plot measure names, measure values together, it will do what? It will plot coordinates. All right. So this is what it is. Okay. Now we'll be doing what we'll be talking about granularity. So abhi we saw to granularity is nothing but breaking down of data by adding more features, more columns. Let us take category and drop it into what? Drop it into the size marks cards. Size marks card. All right. Let us drop. So you can see three different bubbles come up. The dot is what? The dot is furniture. Why? Because the furniture's profit and sales is low as compared to office supplies. Profit and sales both are high. All right. Okay, it is plotting size on the basis of profit. It is plotting size on the basis of profit. All right. If we talk about technology, technology's profit and sales both are high. So it is the highest. Alright, so now if I do what, if I remove category, if I talk about subcategory, alright, now it has added more and more numbers. If I take category and drop it into colors, cards, it has shown me what, it has shown me category, subcategory as well as color. Now blue for furniture, office supply is red, and technology, what? Technology is here, this pink. Now if I want to feature only technology, just simple click technology over here. Alright, click technology over here and it will do what, it will, technology will be only visible. Alright. How do we view technology? Sales and profits. Just take sales and drop it into the labels. Alright. Drop it into the labels. So technologies. Alright. So this is what it is. Similarly, supply, office supplies. So this is what, similarly, furniture. Let us remove profit from here. It will show what? It will show me an absurd diagram. Alright. Kind of a box plot, but it is not a box plot. Alright. Kind of a funnel chart. Alright. So this is what it is. Cool. Now we've done what? We've sorted it. So it is doing what? It is showing me it is plotting it according to sales wise. Alright. If you see, let me remove sales. Alright. If you see 330,000 is the highest sale, it has more, it has a larger than this. Alright. It has a larger, है ना? This is more larger than this 330 sale, 223 sales. No, this is less larger. This is more like 330 sales. All right, 46 है ना? So they belong to what category? है ना? They belong to category. Tables, let us check tables. All right, tables is very small. Profit is less, sales is higher. In a different category. So it is doing what, it is adding it automatically to the filter part. So this is what granularity is all about. If I add customer names, all right, in the colors segment, add all members. So let's see what happens. So see, this is what it has created. This is what it is. Multiple granularities. You can see 6,002 marks. Multiple granularities. All right. So breaking up of data, adding more and more columns, features of the data. The marks keep on what? The elements basically of the data keep on increasing. That is what granularity is all about. It is an important concept in data warehousing, data engineering, ETL tools that we use. It is important in Tableau as well. All right. So this is what it is.